Hey guys, so I just want to make an announcement that noticed the problem. It was the messages. That's what's eating up my space. So I decided to take the old ones down, and it works much better now. So, anyways, here are these devices. So this is the Notify BG12 pull station. And this is my Spectre Alert Advance P4R fire alarm horn strobe. The remote strobe is right there. Right by that pizza box and that stoplight I made. It's right there. It's a horn strobe version of it. Let me flip this around. So this is the back of the alarm, and this is the back of the pull station. Yeah, now I did put the mine bracket on so you can see it in the video. So if you take it off, you can see this is the candela selector, and this is the tone selector, and volume selector. And it's 4-wire, so this is a negative strobe wire, 2 positive strobe wires. Horn positive, horn negative. So it's a 4-wire. So in order for it to put it back on, you just push in. So I have the candela set at 115, which is the brightness of the strobe. If you move this candela selector, it goes all the way to 15. Let me turn it back up to 115. There we go. And I do have it set on temporal 3 low volume. When I got it, it was set at temporal 1 high volume, and that would be too loud. So I decided to turn it to low volume, but it's still pretty loud. And this pull station, so to activate, you just push in, pull down, and the word activated pops right up. And to reset it, you stick the key in. Watch this. You open it, and it resets. There's one switch in here. Put the switch from activated to normal. But if you pull it, you can just close it, because the switch goes up when you close it. You can also just pull down like that. Alright, thank you for watching.